Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. You subscribe to Gemini Pro, but when you open Gemini, you are still on the free version. The Pro features are totally locked, and you are stuck waiting. This is a common billing sync issue that happens with Google subscriptions. The good news is that you don't need to wait 24 hours. There is a simple structure for the activation. So, in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to do so, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. The simple fix is to fully restart the app and device. Close the Gemini app completely or just close the window depending on where you are connecting from. Restart your device and reopen. Sometimes the subscription just needs a fresh sync. If that doesn't work, proceed to the next step. Then refresh the subscription status in Google Play Store. Subscription status is managed by the Google Play Store, not by the Gemini app itself. So go and open the Play Store, tap your profile icon, go all the way to payments, subscriptions, and all of this. I'm talking here if you are using an Android. But let's say you are using the app on Windows, on macOS, whatsoever. Now you will need to go to the Gemini official page. Anyway, as you see, I'm still having this upgrade button. Usually when you are subscribed already, you won't be able to see this. For me, I'm still seeing this, which means I'm not subscribed yet. Anyway, then you can force the activation. The actual fix is to open the Gemini app, check your profile picture, go to Setting, Google Apps, toggle the switch off and on again, then go to Google Play Store and go back to the Gemini app. The subscription usually activates instantly after this. Check your payment method, make sure everything is looking fine, and that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.